In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to create a Wattpad account. Let's get started. First, download Wattpad app in your device, then launch it. You'll be directed to this page. You'll get different options to register for your Wattpad account. Google, Facebook, Apple, or directly enter your email address. For this guide, I'm going to select the option sign up with email. You can also do the same. Just click on the option. Now you'll need to fill out this form. First, type in your email address, then type in the username. Select your date of birth, then click on this drop down and select the pronouns. Once you fill this, click on continue. Now you will need to create password. Make sure your password fulfill all these requirements. Re-enter your password. If you would like to receive emails from Wattpad, you can check in for this option. Likewise, check in for the option for agree to the terms and conditions of Wattpad, then click on sign up. Now you will need to verify your email address. Click on got it. Select your 3 favorite genre to read and click on continue. Click on continue again. And just with that, you have created your Wattpad account. So this is how you can easily register for Wattpad account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.